mixing up people anyhow.
Okay.
Are you a man?
Wait, make I ask you. So what you want now, eh? If I come out, anybody insults me, make me like a woman, make I keep quiet. Man, not beat them. Report waiting, come out from there. Report waiting. Eh? Report waiting, self. I come out, they insult me anyhow. You don't do anything. If I fight them, you can't advise me. See, make I tell you one thing, eh? Any of them for this village will insult me. Will be a woman.
Aboma, listen to me. I am your twin brother, and I must advise you. Aboma, stop fighting.
Okay, because you are my twin brother, so I should keep quiet. Many people they insult me. Take your time. Change my twin. Does not make him my advisor. No advise me again, no. Which cannot just be that one. Put yourself. Come down for Ghana, feature. How about my twin sister?
Should I call her a boy that you called a daughter? Go there. You better tell her to come out. Look at what she did to my daughter. Look at what she did to my daughter now. Come out, oh, come out first. It's okay. Lady. I know you and your daughter are not here to kill my own daughter. Tell me exactly what happened. I don't understand. Go there. What else do you want to know? What else do you want to know that happened? Look at my daughter. Look at what she did to my daughter. Tell her to come out and fight me, oh. Tell her to come out and fight me. Before I beg you, I am begging you, please. Calm down. Because Mama, must stop begging them. Maya, I'm here. Come fight me too. Come fight me too. He got tagged back in a village here. He got tagged back on my program. No, no, change.
Every day you wear the car. I can't even come in my person. But I can't even go to Mangiga Fananya. I could ever man. But I'm I could ever man.
Mama, Udoka, did you have an accident? What happened to you?
It's not a woman. She have been beating me since. Look at my body. Look at my body.
Aboma. Aboma did listen to you. So Aboma is now using you to learn how to do taekwondo. Oh, you say, okay, you say, boy, okay? Don't worry.
Hi! Nana.
Mama, talk. I'm
to beat that girl. To beat how? Since she wants to use your sister to show your sister that she's a man. You need to meet her. I will not take this. I will not take it.
Mama, Wadim. You see that Aboma? I am going to their house straight away. You know Aboma game? Aboma, I will.
Beat her. Don't kill her. Or don't injure her also. Don't kill her, Don't kill her.
Mama, every day you wear the Mama.
What do you really want for your life? What is your plan for your life as a woman? You don't want your father and I to have peace in this village. Look at you. Just take a very good look at yourself as a woman. Every day, one problem or the other. I don't know if we should change your name to one day, one trouble. One day we are going to bring a problem that will swallow all of us in this village.
Mama, beg. What's in the happen, self? What's in be this now? Which kind now advice based on I've been waiting? How about what's in be this now? Which problem I want to bring to this house? To this house? I know they bring any problem. I get my life to live now. I'm waiting. If everybody for this village see me as a bad person, as one fool, one foolish girl, you will be my family member. You're not supposed to understand me now. Waiting, self. See, I get plans so. As I stay here so, I get vision. Mama, I get vision. But what I know if you take from anybody now my person they call me fool. Or they take me for granted. I know if you take them. I don't go fit take them, Mama. I don't tell you. What's be this one now? Why would it be her name? Go they call me Agburo. Abi Agburo?
Is it Ole Udoka? Is it Ole Udoka? The other day was a burial. You fought with Onyema. Hey, Mama, think about your life. You are a woman, oh. You are a woman. So you and your elder brother, Ikonso, don't want your father and I to have peace. You cannot wipe the tears of your parents. Is that what you're trying to tell me? That is what you're trying to tell me, Aboma. A woman like you. Maybe every day you You are a woman. Think about your life, your future, this girl. Imagine the bitter leaf I asked you to squeeze since morning. You have not even touched it.
Mama, now you talk your problem. Now that won't be a problem. That one not be work now. Bitter leaf now work. I go do am now. You say waiting be your name. My brother and I, no one clear tears for your eyes. For waiting now. Mama, see, I don't know about Ikonso, but I know about myself. Wella, I know about myself. I know what I can do. Mama, I get plans. I get future. And very soon, you go mature. Mama, you go mature. That time, waiting I want my supposed to be, waiting I go be. Go dead pure. Everybody go see and say, I don't become what I was supposed to be. And that time I know now, when I will come beg me over Mama. By that time, Mama, I not go look anybody face. Now I go do bitter leaf for you. That one no be issue. When come here, they play salmon. Say now. Who did this to me? Say now. Advice. Mama, calm down.
Who did this to me?
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Why me?
Well, you should come out here before I demolish this house. Aboma! Where are you? Come out here before I will set fire on this house. Where are you? Where is she now? Oh, Aboma, come out here. So you have the guts to touch my sister. Aboma.
What you call this house, Kondo? You a grace? No. You come my papa house, they shout. Something they worry you. No, they fear face. You carry yourself into my papa house, say you want come. Now fight, you want fight. You want fight me? Now fight, you want fight.
You think you can beat my sister?
Now fight, you want fight.
I am here to beat you. Did you know what kind of life? Did you know what kind of life you see?
What is it?
Did you know what kind of life you see?
What is it? You don't tell me that you have come here to fight my daughter. Oh, get it!
I am here. Let me deal with her man to man by myself. I am flu.
I have spoken with your mother about this matter. You people should leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter. After all, she did not do anything, no. She only fought with her fellow girl.
Oh, Sigini, fellow girl. You are calling this in a girl. Yeah, who can
themselves. I go frame of you now. Okay, I fought her with her sister. He can't fight me. No go fight. No go can't Priyan. Anofia. Come fight mama any of them that tried me in this village Mama, say kake. Atamia. Nonsense. Oka si pass here.
Every day you wear
hi.
Good.
Why me? Did I offend anybody?
Mama. Why are you like this?
I did not do anything to any of them. They are the one looking for my trouble. Why would that girl call me Agboro? Papa, do I look like Agboro? Do I?
What of Okechi? And the little Samuel that you beat up. What did they call you? Abomma. Nyere no onwe ga aka. Metru no onwe ga ebere no kwa nwanyi ka ebo.
Abomma. The other day, I met Anyam, and they are not happy with what you did to their son, and they are planning to come here with war.
Yeah. Papa, I didn't make a call. Let them come. They want to come with war. Let them come and fight me. Papa, see, if I see those people here,
Nine, it's better Aboma leave this village. Let her go to my sister's place in Amago and stay with her. Come on, we're going to marry Hebiko.
Hey, I don't support that idea. They will kill her there. You can remember very well what happened to her the last time she went there. Please, Akam Okomaderia Biko.
Papa, I am not going anywhere. I will remain in this village to protect you and Mama. Yes. Mama, don't you know that if I'm not in this village, people in this village will treat both of you anyhow? Is that what you want? I'm not going to Amago. I will only go to Amago on holidays. Finish.
I get it.
You said don't grow. What's I going to do? Make her blame, make her do and dreadlock. It make sense.
You are here calling me. Please take this money, go and get Maggie for me. Take. Go and get me Maggie. I need to put Maggie in what I'm cooking. Go fast. Come back here, come. Where are you going with this comb on your hair?
I no style with this now. I want to go buy you Maggie.
That is your business. If you like, put broom on your hair. Just go, I get what I want for me.
Mama, you do the worry yourself. Your own, make her buy you Maggie, make you use cook. The more you stay here, they tell me someone. I don't go buy the thing fast, come fast now. Calm down. Ma, go buy the Maggie for you.
Hi. God. What kind of daughter did you give to me? I thought by now this girl must have changed by now. But she's growing worse by the day. Eh?
I want to buy Maggie 15 naira.
Aboma,
Ma?
what is the meaning of this?
Meaning of waiting? Meaning of coming to your shop to pass and waiting?
Meaning of combing your heads on my goods?
Mama, now you make you talk to me like that. I beg, no insult me. Now Maggie, I won't buy, no verse.
If you come here and see somebody comb hair on my goods, will you buy?
Mama, you don't do now. Eh? I did just smart in now. I just did here and see my comb my hair small. Now you make you talk to me like this. I don't want insult. Say Maggie, give me my come out. Give me Maggie 15 naira.
I'm not selling again. Go. If you see somebody combing hair on this goods, will you buy? Mr. Agboma or Obi? Mama, I don't know when you will learn to know that you're a woman and not a man.
Wait. Mama, did I hear you call me Mr. Agboma?
No, Uncle.
Eh? Mama, I know why I insult you. I know why I insult you. I know what I feed you. Smart time now they go say, Agboma don't do this one. Agboma don't do the other one. I don't want trouble. Now your son had the respect too. If not be a son, Mama. Ntiegi. I'm come see me. No insult Agboma. Leave me make I go my own. No wahala.
Mua! Etam kake. You. Go away. Look at you, Agbo. Look at you.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, you call Agbo. Me Agboma. No wahala. Mama, I go leave you. I go just leave you. Agboma no be mad person. But today, I go just leave you. Waka my own go. But you see this way you call me today. You see this type of way you call me today. Tomorrow, another woman go look your daughter or your son. Call them Abu. You go know how you be.
Huh? Come, what did I hear you say, Agboma? Huh? Come, are you insulting me? Come my son for me. Look at you. What are you going to do? You need to do. See, I said you don't go pass here. Mr. Agboma.
Mama, you said Agboma insulted you today. Agboma has the guts to insult you, Mama. Eh?
Teach her a lesson. Meye. She has been insulting people everywhere. She thinks she can insult me and go free.
Mama, just relax yourself. Okay? Don't bother yourself at all. Except Agboma didn't cross this road today. If she crosses here, Agboma's color will change today. I promise you.
I trust you. That girl, Mama, I be that boy.
Wait.
Hey.
Oh. Mama, give me a chair first. Let me sit down. Hey, come here.
Hey,
Agboma, come here.
Agboma, come here. Are you running away? Come and insult my son, Mama. Papa.
I beg, Mama. I beg. I no want trouble. I no want trouble. I don't beg you. I beg. If to say I come your shop, come here be a problem. I'm sorry.
Shut up. No, Agboma, is something wrong with you? So you came to my mother's shop to comb your hair? Eh? Does my mother's shop looks like a salon before your eyes?
Obele.
Eh?
I saw you the judge. Eh? Obele, Mama call me Agboro. Your Mama look me Obi call me Agboro.
What thing you did before?
If your Mama call me Agboro, what you go call you? What you be? You don't look like Agboro. You don't be Agboro. You don't be criminal. Take your time, I don't want to be. You know who I be? Matapagi. Tiegi.
Agboma, did I hear you well?
Yes, you hear me well. Who you be? What you gonna do?
You insulted me, Agboma.
Get out. Nonsense.
Agboma, you insulted me.
Come idiot.
Agboma, you haven't heard of Obele in this town. Are you crazy? Is something wrong with you? Haven't you asked for Obele in this town? You're very stupid, though.
Obele is slapping me. Hey! Hey! Come on!
Mama,
hey! Leave my son alone! Hey! Stop! Stand up! Hey!
Mama!
Come on, get out!
Mama,
stand up and fight!
No, come fight!
Hey!
Next time when you stay at one man.
Ogini be
come.
Opposite Abukala. Aboma, waiting me up forever. Aboma, waiting come to do you.
Hey! Look at her, you want to kill my son?
Give me pure water first. Wash my hands.
Look at this man.
Mama, where are you now? Aye, mama, Opa keep going me pa. Mama, you go to pure water first. Give me pure water, let me clean. Where are you? I'm only hearing your voice now. Mama, Opa keep going
Aboma, when will you change? Aboma, what kind of person are you? Why are you doing this to me?
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me too? I am here telling you what happened. All you could do is to blame me. Why do you always even see me as a troublemaker?
Aboma, why did you go out with that comb in your hair? After talking to you here, look at the money I asked you to go and buy now. You have lost it. Can you even be happy? That
one not be problem now. I'll go and buy another man. Give another one.
Come back here. You know that Obele and his mother have been looking for a way to catch you. Now you have gotten yourself into their trap.
What are you even saying? It's all lie. They are lying. I did not look for anybody's trouble. Obele has been the one looking for my trouble. Why won't you just believe me? The one I gave to him today will be a lesson to him and every other person in this village. Like I said, anyone that looks for one master, anyone that looks for my trouble, you hear me? Let me go and get you will not kill me today. No problem. I know you will never support your own daughter once in this house. You don't go ever support me. You will never support me. Every time I want ma, No problem.
Madam, stop here. Hey, Aboma, you see you today. It is you and I today. Aboma, ma wagi aba today. I swear to God. Today, I will know if you're a man or you're a woman.
Cherekene, wait. Yeah. On a boy that I got there for me. On a go plan for me with Aboma, Hi.
Make sure it's up. Shut up. So you still get mad to talk.
Two of you now. As soon as big, rich men will call themselves men, old fools. Now me will be woman. When I go sit down, go plan, carry stick for hand, go fight me. So if I leave now, when I go use this stick now, begin fight me.
Nana, see this girl. Nana, see this girl.
How see this girl? See. Come back. On a bon one. On a try young mama. Him on your one mabu.
Wait. Anya na aboke isi ni tie. Eta anyi ka aki. Nana, nego this. Look at this girl. Look at this girl.
Obele. Not to 1 million obu. Ma wala me check of auntie. Keke. Nana 2 million obu. Not 2 million one. 2 million one there am wa check.
Aboma, waiting me up, Aboma, waiting come to do you. Aboma, every day you wear the girl, Yakoba, the Makwane one day. Aboma, I can't even come in a maposa, Baboda Funanya, I can't even go Puroposa, Mangiga Funanya, I could ever
have you done? Where will you stop all this lifestyle of yours? Eh? Just look at yourself. Eh?
Lillian, see, as you see me so, I don't stop all those bad things what they do for village. I don't go do them again. I am now a changed person. Yeah? You see, the only thing what I want for this protocol will come now, make I enter school. Any school where I feel go, even if it's a night school, where I feel go better my life. And what I need, nothing else. Eh? Go ahead. My fear, the only fear what I get. And that's what belly for village. That boy, I don't know whether he died. I don't know whether he died alive. I be my fear.
What if Obele is dead now? Eh? What will you do? Can you hear me? Eh? Or wouldn't you go mad? What if Obele is dead? Eh?
You see all those boys who gang up for me for village, Now because they hate me.
Nobody hates you, my sister. Aboma change. Change, yeah? Nobody hates you.
I don't hear. I said I don't stop. Even all those I don't stop everything. Where your parents and your brother?
They went to church.
Hi! Your people can go to church. See, now that I'm here in Port Harcourt, I'm going to follow them to church. Why are you laughing?
Born again. Wow, you. Born again.
I don't know why.
Born again. Oh dear. So bad, it's better for you. At least for your life.
Aboma.
Larry, yes, sir. I don't have something to say when I go to church.
Oh yes, we went to church. And I'm actually preparing people for traveling to Lagos for Legion of Mary.
Is it Lagos? I beg. I didn't involve. Add my name. I beg you. Yeah? Larry, you don't understand. This Lagos way they talk about. Just add my name as member of Legion of Mary. See, from today on, I'm now a member of Legion of Mary. I beg you.
You, Aboma Nkemma, member of Legion of Mary. Hey! So you now get down and start fighting everybody. Eh? Of Aboma Nkemma.
Peter, why they talk like this now? Why they talk like, I don't promise you, say, you see all those bad life where they live for village. As I don't come Port Harcourt, I don't change. I don't go do them again. Even all those type where I see a madam die, I don't go. I don't go to them again. I beg. I beg you.
You know what will happen? Harry, you just have to change my name. You understand? Please, I'm serious.
It's alright. On that condition, if you are serious. Yeah?
I'm serious now. What do you want me to do? Make you not say I'm serious. I'm serious now.
I might just put your name and replace for her because she's saying she's no more interested. I don't know her reasons, but my only challenge here is you must be a member. That is what the constitution says in Legion of Mary for 3 years.
Hi! Larry, why you talk like this now? Now you be the chairman. Now you the add people name. Now you know everything. Now just put my name. See, tell them say this is your sister. Welcome from village. You got one man. Say from village where she did since she be member of Legion of Mary. As she come Port Harcourt, she be member. Even as she go Lagos, she go still be member. Just tell them. Larry, now you now talk.
Don't worry, I will talk to you.
It's okay.
Just calm down.
It's okay.
Calm down. You do it.
Don't worry.
Hey! I'm so happy for you. At least I've seen the changes in you. But hope you not go to Lagos and start fighting. Start fighting everybody in Lagos.
Yeah. That's not the change again. See, me work about myself. I dey happy say I don't change. Hi! I wish my mother and my twin brother can see me like this. Who can believe that a woman will stop fighting? Who can believe? Hi!
At least I've seen the changes in you. At least I'm proud of you for once.
Be proud of me, Joe. Be proud of me.
See Larry. Larry. Welcome.
Yeah, good news, girls.
Good news.
your name has been accepted. So we are going to Lagos.
What are you for real? Where they go? Lagos. Wow! Aboma is going to Lagos. Thank you, Aboma. Thank you. See Lagos. Thank you. See Lagos. See Lagos. Hey! Hey, finally! I don't live village. I don't live all of them. Me now. I'm going to go.
Let me go and call on people. Look after her.
Oh, Sunday, oh, Wednesday. Oh, Sunday, oh, Wednesday. Chai! Chai! Ikoso! What did I do to you now? Me, what is pursuing you now that you have to push me down? See, in fact, I'm even standing and talking. I have to lie down here till you bring one goat before I will stand up. And for information, if I wait for you till evening, you will make it one cow.
Mama, please don't do this to me, Mama. Mama, please.
Hey! What did I do to you? Eh? See, I'm waiting for that goat to. I'll sleep here. Hey! I was on my own.
Akponi, please, take these drugs. Wait, let me give it to you, okay? Sorry. Open your mouth. Oh, okay. Take it. Slowly, please. Let it go down again, slowly. Are you okay?
Yes. Thank you, my love.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
But I don't think this will help. I don't think it will make me get well.
Actually, honey, Akpo,
my love,
we have been to several hospitals and you are not responding to treatment. I don't know what to do. I'm really very worried. Please get well soon, please.
Sweetheart, please do me a favor.
Okay.
Get Larry. Tell him that the sickness has come back again.
Okay, I will. Immediately. Just take care. I'm coming. Your head, please. Okay. There's trouble. What killed my father and my younger brother has come back to kill my mother.
Hey! Ego! Get a walking stick there. Be fast.
Please don't allow this thing to happen again. Does this oracle want to kill every member of this family before it will rest? What kind of a thing is this?
Sent for me. You are here, Larry? Yeah. Yeah, I sent for you. I can't talk over the phone, man. the health condition of my wife is getting worse day by day. As I'm talking to you now, she is seriously ill. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. I've taken her to all the hospitals in Lagos. Yet, she is in a critical condition. Please rescue my wife.
It's alright, it's okay. Where is she right now? Where is she?
She's inside.
Let's go, come on.
Mama, don't tell me you want to die the way Papa died, Mama, please. You can't stop me fast, Mama is dying. You can't stop me fast, Mama is
These village people are very wicked. I know if I stay here from now till 2 weeks, nobody will even bring a fowl to wake me up. Eh? Hi! What? Because so you did not see me. Or your brother's son did not tell you that he pushed me down and I found him a goat. Eh? What is even chasing them? I will save your head before you talk of goat. Save your head before
Tell me, what actually could be the problem this time?
This same sickness caught me last 2 years. Same way. And after a while, it vanished. Now it has come back again. I don't know.
Larry, in fact, I don't know what to tell you. We have done all the necessary tests for her in this world. Yet, see her condition. She's still not feeling well, and I am extremely confused and very worried. I don't know what to do.
Larry, whenever this sickness starts, I see all kinds of masquerades in this whole world in my dream world. I don't know. I don't sleep.
This is a spiritual problem. Hakot, please, let me see you outside.
Okay, honey, I'm coming.
Ibudu, my daughter will come back to serve you. Please, guide us to where she is. She's in faraway Lagos.
Please, all we ask is time. Give us time. And I promise you this time, she will come back.
Yes.
Biko. Uncle, let us go meet with the elders.
It's better.
Let's discuss with them.
Let's go. Ibudu.
Larry, I'm very worried. I know you to be the closest person and family member to my wife. Please, I don't know what to do. It pains me when I see her in this illness, in this condition. I want you to do your utmost best and take her out of this illness. I want to see my wife again, back in good health.
Harcourt, you have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about. Like I said in there, it is a spiritual problem. Don't worry. I will make some consultation to some of our friends here in Lagos. If anything reasonable does not come out, then forget it. With time, the illness will disappear. Trust me.
Larry, I pray so. I pray the illness will disappear forever. I want my wife back to be bouncing. I want my wife to be healthy. I love my wife so much. It pains me when I see her in this condition. Please do something.
I know you love her. It's showing. It's glaring you love her so much. Don't worry. I have these feelings that she will be fine again. Okay?
Amen.
Let's stay positive.
Amen, Larry.
Right?
Amen. Amen, Larry.
Fine. Come on.
I pray so. Thank you, bro.
Rosie!
Don't even call me that. My name is not Rosa. My name is Rosaline.
Oh! Thank you for telling me your name. Eh? See, let me tell you. You will regret in this village why you did not marry me. You will regret it.
Hey, so you look at me and said I will regret not getting married to you.
Yes.
That will not even happen in the next world. Meru will get better. Look at how your life is disappearing like a smoke.
Wait, oh. Is it me you're talking to or somebody is passing?
No, I'm talking to your shadow.
Better, oh, because from the look of things now, you're the one that is drunk. If you're talking to my shadow. See, let me tell you, you will regret not marrying me one day because you will soon see me at the top of this life. Nenu, you will see it. I'm telling you. Me. Hey.
Did you see my brother? No, what happened to him?
My mother is dying, Rosaline.
Hey, she's
not
well. What happened to her? Hey!
The sickness that killed my father and my brother wants to take her away from me.
Hey! I said it. See, you see? I told this Uche that all will not be well until she marry me. He said no. You see? Hey, you people should be going. I will now follow you up.
What? You're a fool. You don't know what to talk again.
Hey! Rosie, me, fool. See, let me tell you, you are the bigger fool. Do they have biggest fool? Because you're supposed to know that if you marry me, things will change. You're calling me a fool. Look at her. Woman without destination, definition, and device. I don't know the meaning.
Hi. Njanje bole njanja. Okoro. Please help us and see what can be done.
But I said this thing before, you people neglected it. Yes. There is nothing that can be done except you bring back Agbomma back to her land for her to correct what she did. She's the one to worship great Ibudu.
We know, and we are even ready to do whatever it is you want us to do. But we need time. She lives in the city. Going to bring her back is not something that will happen today or tomorrow. We need time.
Yes. All we need is for you to consult Ibekwe, the oracle priest, to talk to Great Ibuju, to calm down and hold on death until she comes back.
It's okay. I will see what I can do. Eh? I will talk to him. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No. You're welcome.
Hi guys. You guys are aware that the business you are managing is for my wife, but it's mine too. So I want you to take in charge, and you must know that my wife has been sick.
Yes, sir. But how is she doing now?
Hopefully she should get him better. By the way, have you guys prepared my ifiko soup? Bloody hell, why are you laughing?
Sorry, sir. But it's not ifiko, it's ofaku.
Ofaku. Okay, ofaku soup.
Yes, sir.
I will tell my wife to make a video so I will have more knowledge of the ifiko soup.
Alright, sir. You can go ahead and get the video. Because
Okay.
the last one we prepared, customers complained.
Why?
We're still learning, sir.
Okay, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
What do you mean? So the oracle has come again? Mama, we are in trouble. Let it don't be that when he is done killing those people, he will not come to us. Never. Never. We are not the chosen one. Aboma was the one chosen. And she has to come back. I don't care how many years it has taken her. She will come back, oh. She just have to come back. Because I cannot die for what I don't know. I won't die. That is my fear. Because the oracle does not want to know who did it or not. On the Mifa Kepe.
Mama, good day, Mama. Mama, is my brother here, Mama? He actually came to see Chi.
He was here, but they left.
Left to read Akwabiku.
My daughter, I heard what happened.
Mama, my mother is lying as if she's dead. Mama, as we speak now, she doesn't talk nor make any move. Mama, please.
Mama, watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Oh my! Who touch her? Go! Run! Look for your father! Look for your father! Chimo! Hey! Chimo! Is this how we start? Uche! Run! Uche! Mama, I won't wanna be go. Uche! Hey!
Akponi,
My love,
are you okay?
better.
We need to do a video clip.
About what?
Can you imagine the cooks in the kitchen? They are not good and perfect in cooking the ifiko soup.
Ofaku.
Okay, sorry, honey, but we need to make a video clip so they may have more knowledge in cooking the ifiko soup.
You see what I told you? This same thing happened the last time this sickness started. They couldn't make the ofaku soup. And it's affecting my business. Please, I have to go there myself.
Hell no. You need to get well. Honey, please. You don't need to.
My love, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk my customers to my rivals.
Okay, so let's do the video clip.
I can't. Let's just go there. Let's go there. I will teach them how to make the soup while I'm there. Please. Please, just take me.
Okay.
Okay, let's go there together.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Come and see my mother. Come and see my mother. Look at my mother.
Uche!
Uche! Where's Uche? Uche! Hey! Where's Uche?
This is bad, oh. Hey! What am I hearing? You consort. What am I hearing? No wonder both of you were running like Efiala. That is a mad cow without rope.
Nanya, I am not in that mood. Do you understand me? Please leave us. Send my pocket.
I want to go. We're not in that mood. Go.
What did I do? Oh, Papa, look at me.
Papa,
what is it again? What is it?
You have to come now. Papa, Uche came to the house. She fell to the ground. Now she can't move nor talk. Papa, this is serious.
Hey! What is going on?
Hey!
Can you hear me, Medi?
What do we do? Go.
Okay, sis.
Hey, don't die, you. Don't die. Hey, Chineke.
Katuche, my sister. Tell me, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do again? This
is bad. Great Ibud. Pardon us. Bikonu meraya bere bikonu. Bikonu. Hi. Njanje bole njanja. Because let's see what we can do.
Uncle, let me take her home.
Now you have to do something, oh. We don't know who is going to be next.
Do not get close. Hold it, let me help you. Do not get us. Do not get us. Iko? I'm coming, eh? Hey! Njanje bo njanje nenu njanje. Njanje bo njanje nenu njanje.
Where is everyone else?
I don't know.
Where is everybody? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. How are you? So what is going on about the farm? Have you found the palm nut?
Yes, ma'am. We found it and informed the palm nut.
So everything is set?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to go to the kitchen while I tell you how to fix everything. After today, I believe you will learn how to...
Oh, no!
Akoni, what is it? What is it? Please, you guys come and help me. Come, help me. Sorry.
There's nothing really wrong with her. I have done all the necessary checkup. She seems to be very okay.
Doctor, I am very worried about my wife. Extremely worried. I don't know else what to do. Can you imagine? Sometimes she starts screaming. She'll be screaming as if she's seeing things. I don't know how to help her.
How about Mr. Larry?
He has been around and he promised to do something immediately.
It's alright. You don't have to panic. I'll try and see him maybe later in the evening. We really need to discuss about her health issue. If it's possible, maybe we'll take her abroad or go spiritual, because I can't really see anything wrong with her now.
Okay, doctor, thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
You're welcome. And madam, please try not to stress yourself, okay? You're going to be fine. You need some rest, okay? Please, I'll beg you, always stay next to her.
You can see.
I always check up.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. We are very grateful.
Okoro, I've told you people that I will not do this again. Igbudu is angry with the family of Amarako.
Biko, the great one, they have come to do the needful in order to stop this death, Biko. Because 2 people are already at the point of
Not
death.
only 2, the whole family, even the whole kindred. Ikonso, you are only being spared because you are the twin of the chosen. You are destined to bring her to do this. If not, you would have long gone. After you, it will transcend the whole kindred.
What?
Yes.
Guinea?
Yes, if
Hey!
nothing is done fast. Your family will be the next. You must bring Aboma back as soon as possible.
Grateful. I've heard what you said. But Aboma doesn't stay anywhere close to this village. She's in Lagos. I am pleading with you to talk to the gods. Let them give us time. Let them give us time so I can go to Lagos and bring her back. Biko.
Igbudu, we make every step you take towards this easier for you. Only do not keep him waiting.
We will do that. Oh, Hexna.
It's okay.
My daughter, I'm afraid too. I'm afraid. What is going to happen now? Going to Lagos to bring Aboma is not a day job.
That is the problem. If the oracle can make Mamuche and Uche to be well, that will be fine. Please, don't let them die.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid it might get to us. If that's going to happen, I'll run away from this village. I'll run away. I cannot allow what does not concern me to kill me. When Aboma was in this village, every day Aboma this, Aboma that. If you try to caution her, she won't listen. I don't even know if she's in prison in that Lagos where she is, that made her not to come back for years.
No. She used to call them. Yes. Uche used to tell me that she used to call brother Ikonso. But I don't think she has called them for years now.
You see what I'm saying? That is the problem. How is Ikonso going to locate her there? Who knows her address? What is this now?
Mama, calm down, please. See, there must be a way. I'm sure of that. Please calm down.
I'll run away from this village. I cannot die. I'll run away.
Mama, stop now. Hasn't got into that.
I have done what you people asked me to do. The rest is in your hands.
I will use the last kobo I have to make sure that Aboma comes back to this village before then. I cannot die for what I do not know.
Uncle, we don't have time to waste. At least we need to plan and know how to raise money for me to go to Lagos.
There's no time to waste, people. We have to start going now. Look for money anywhere. We're talking about life and death is the problem now. Pico.
I had already left the office before your call came in. That's why I asked us to meet here. You see, I think there's something wrong with your sister spiritually. You and I know that I've taken all the medical tests, and there's nothing wrong with her medically.
You're right. Because 2 years ago, same illness, same sickness fell on her. But after a while, it disappeared. I don't know.
Come to think of it, that's why I decided to bring you down here. You know your sister came into Lagos through you. And if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Harcourt actually got married to her through you.
That's true.
I'm beginning to think there's something spiritual. Yes. I mean, you should know your customs and traditions too well. I'm suspecting that Mr. Harcourt didn't complete his marital rites. Or maybe something is fishing somewhere. Something he needs to do that he didn't do. You should find out. I mean, there's no time. And your sister is running out of time.
You're correct.
Anyway, I beg to take my leave right now. My kids are waiting for me.
Oh, thank you, doctor, but I think I have to make some calls. I appreciate you coming around. Yeah. You have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Take good care of yourself.
Alright. Thank you.
Alright, take care.
Welcome. How did this go? My tell us, what is going on?
We're in trouble. If we don't act fast, all of us will die.
Nine, don't tell me that this has something to do with us.
Mazibekwe said that if the oracle kills Mamucha and Uche, the next one will be me and my family.
Hey, what?
No, Papa. This will not happen.
I said it. I said it. Nai, what are we going to do?
Because we'll be going to Lagos to look for her. We have made arrangements to borrow money from the meeting so that we can start going.
We are finished. How will Ikonso locate her? Okay, how do we know if Ikonso has located her?
From what Mazibekwe said, the oracle will lead him to locate her.
Nai, my daughter and I will leave this place. We will run away. Oh. We cannot allow what does not concern us to kill us. We will run away.
He must locate her.
We cannot allow what does not concern us to kill us. We will run away.
My brothers, this is where we find ourselves. We have to do what we have to do. If not, all of us will be into problem. Hi. What kind of problem is this? How could Aboma put all of us into this trouble? Nani, Biko Kanayo, I and my family will not suffer for what we know.
Exactly.
Exactly what I have been saying. It better kill those who committed the crime. Simple.
My people, please. We shouldn't speak this way. It is not our fault that all these things are happening. It's act of respect that all of us are gathered here.
Let's calm down. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. In this issue, it's only a console. The other will not kill. Huh? Huh? You see? Nah, let's know what we do fast. So let's know what we do and do it fast. Even now. Let's start doing something. Ha! That is why we are here. Ikunso will be going to Lagos to look for Aboma, and we have to arrange for it. Does he know the way to Lagos? Does he? Even if he knows the way to Lagos, how can he locate Aboma that has left this village for so many years? How? How can he?
Michi, leave that one for me. One thing I promise you all is this. Once I get to Lagos, Aboma must surely come back with me. It's a promise.
We were promised that he must locate Aboma. That the gods will help him to locate Aboma. Okay now.
Alright, let's arrange for it.
Let's arrange for it now.
Obodani manino nya makine mesiku ifike obulu na kwanu afiba batosi.
I should have known that this is what is happening in this village. Eh? How can the oracle choose who will serve him when we are here? Hey, Ichie.
The wise man of our time.
Don't hail me. Don't greet me. You're not my friend.
But we are friends.
No! I said you're not my friend. Ichie, how can the oracle choose who will serve him? A woman for that matter, that have stayed in the city for many years. When able men, I say able men like us are here. And you could not recommend me.
Am I the one that recommended the one that you choose? Am I the one?
See, Ichie.
Please don't make me laugh.
Ichie, I know you look at me and think I'm a fool.
No, I don't think so.
No, because one day will come, you will beg me for something, and I will say no. I will say no. See, Ikonso pushed me down today, and I found him a goat. But I've heard he's going to the city. If he comes back, he will give me a cow. And I will not forgive him.
No, you have to forgive him for the sake of our friendship, please. Okay, see, let me give you some money. Just do justice to it. Are you okay? Are you happy now?
Ichie, this money is not enough, but I will use this one to wait till he comes back from the city. Then I will now charge him to pay me a cow. Yes.
Is it not too much?
No, it's not too much, Iche. It's not too much. Iche, thank you. See, Iche, you know you're not important in this village. It's just only your red cap that is important. Even some.
Come on, Cantonito, Dalonafa.
Please, Lagos. You will go to Lagos. Our gods will protect you. Your mother and your sister will not die. Once the gods sees that we are making efforts, they will hold on. You will go. You will come back.
Sure.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.
One thing I'm promising you is this. I'll do everything within my power to make sure she comes back with me.
May the gods protect you.
Yes, sir.
They will lead you.
Yes, sir.
I wish you safe journey.
Thank you, Uncle. Please take care of my mother and my sister.
Take care of them.
Are you serious? You see Uche that was with us yesterday?
Nne, that is what we are into. We are in serious trouble.
If I'm you, I'll leave this village and run away.
Hey, run away?
Yes.
Where do you know that you want to run to? When the gods can see anywhere you are.
Ego, you want to stay here and die? You have to do something, no? What if Ikonso didn't see his sister? Lagos is big, go. You have to do something.
My father said that the gods will guide him. That he will go and bring her back. Honestly, I am afraid. But my mother is more than afraid. But what can we do?
Let's go. My own, no.
Where do you want to run to?
I've said my own, no.
Ikonso, where are you? Come out here. Come out. See, you must pay me for that goat that I found you for pushing me down. I heard that you want to go to Lagos this morning. It will not happen. You will not try it. You will not try it until you pay me the goat I found you for pushing me and down. Me for pushing me down. In fact, now nobody will enter this house. Nobody will come out. If you try it, You will see what will happen. Try it! Just let somebody go in or come out. Came on Sunday, no Wednesday. He pays some, he sweet some more. He pays some, he sweet some more. Yeah, or Sunday, or Wednesday, or Sunday, or Wednesday. When you were pushing me down, it was sweeting you and it was paining me. Now, reverse is the case. Come, nobody is going in, nobody is coming out. You will pay me for that good. Because he pays some, he sweet some more. He pays some, he sweet some more. He pays some, he sweet some more.
Make I wash
Pay some. He pays some, he sweet some more.
Make I answer me, I'm walking, I'm walking, in the game with them, bet you don't
Did you hear the thunder?
Of course I did.
Hey, Nai.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
Are we sure Ikonso have gone to the city? And Nani?
Hey, I am sure he has gone to the city. But my problem is that Ikonso may misuse the money the entire King Joy borrowed to send him to Lagos. Hey, you know how he enjoys wasting his life.
Hey, Nai, do not say something like that now. Makachuku, if Ikonso misuses that money and refuses to come back here with Aboma Mbofona villager, instead of me to stay in this village and die, I better get lost. Hey, Chineke mu.
It's okay.
Nai,
it's all right.
Let's go to Naya Adibe's house.
That is where I'm going to. Let's go.
Hey.
Why are you putting fear in our daughter? Nothing happened to you. Because I have gone to make sure that Aboma is back. He will bring her back. Could be anything else. You people should stop doing this, please.
Nai, I want to go to my father's house. Let my daughter and I go there, please.
If you leave, who will assist me look after Mamucha and Uche? Huh? I even came back here to tell you to go and give them food and prepare these herbs for them. Go and apply it on their body.
Papa, I'm not touching them. Mama will do it. Shut up. Why, Mama? And Nai, let nothing happen to my daughter and I.
Nothing will happen to both of you. Try and understand this, please. Huh? If we have not been doing anything, I think there's nothing happening. We are trying our best. Huh? You just have to bring out for my
Mama. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Mama, look at this. What is going on here?
My daughter, you see what I told your father? All is not well. What is this now?
Mama, I don't know. But I think the gods are after us.
No. This is not right. I will not die for what I don't know. I will not die, oh.
I will not die. Be coming, eh? I will not die because...
Men like you, how can you be so afraid? A few minutes ago, I was talking to my wife and my daughter to be strong. And you came here to entertain fear.
Nani, that thunder could not be for nothing. I suggest we go and see Ichie Ibeko.
Yes, so. You see, Adibe.
I will not die for this.
And listen, if anything happens to me, if anything happens to Wangwo, Adibe, I will hold you solely responsible for it. Nothing is happening to anybody. Because has left for Lagos to bring Agbomma back. Mamucha and Duche, they are still alive. What we'll be talking about is how to take care of them. That is it. What is it?
There is problem. There is problem.
I said, what is it?
Papa, we got there and palm front was used to tie at the doorpost. Papa, I think the gods are after us.
Is it not what we were saying here? Is it not what we were saying here? Hey! Adibe, what have we done?
This can't be. Who might have tied the front palm front there? We must go and see.
No,
we must go and see.
I will be going. You know, you people are elders. Elders can go and see.
No,
let me just go. I'm going home now.
Oh, let's go.
But don't you think I should get my small
so that they are still afraid? Let's go. Before they will kill you, they'll finish my family.
And if anything happens to me, let's go.
Hi! Njanja ubole njanja. Njanja. Asimo ubole njanja. What could this be? What could this be? What have we done? What have we done?
I don't think it's the handwork of the gods. I doubt. Yes.
Did you not hear the thunder? Who else would have done this if not one that works with the gods? Oh. My problem now is how to get in there to see Mamucha and Duche.
Huh? This is not the handwork of the gods. You can enter through the back door. You go in through the back door. Meanwhile, let me talk with Ibekwe and see if the gods have a hand in it.
Yes. Do it fast. If not, my wife and my daughter will run away from this village. Please.
Okay, let me see.
Hurry up now. I will not.
Osi, you are John Mado. Osi, in fact, you're not a good person.
I'm not in a good mood. As you're looking at me now, I'm waiting for Okada.
Osi, who took your mood? Osi, wait. This one you're carrying back. Are you running away or you want to escort Ikonso to Lagos?
It's none of your business. It doesn't concern you. And whether I'm going or I'm coming, it's none of your business. Leave me alone.
Okay. See, let me tell you. All of you in this village will keep running. You will keep running till every member of your kindred gets finished. You think you can escape from the oracle? Eh? See, let me tell you. Eh? Hey, because I've used your brain. He has used you people's brain. I am telling you. See, in fact, as I'm talking to you now, Ikonso is the only 419 I know. He used your brain and carried all the money to Lagos to squander. As I'm talking to you now, I am seeing Ikonso from one curtain to another. Mekwena blue curtain. He's just living there. He's entering white curtain, even when he's not a ghost. But he's very lucky. He's very lucky that I did not see him. He would have given me money to buy that goat. But I found him. Ikonso.
Pity yourself. Leave alcohol.
I should leave alcohol so that alcohol will leave me. Is he your friend? Eh? See, I don't blame you. If it's not that the ghosts were after me this morning when I was tying that palm front, eh? I would have dealt with Ikonso and any other person that will enter the house or even come out. I'm telling you.
What did I hear you say?
We have said so many things. Which of them?
That you are the one that tied.
Yes, from one end to another.
You are the one that tied that palm front.
Is it palm back? It's palm front. I tied it.
Hey!
He pays some, he sweet some. He pays some, he sweet some. Yawu on Sunday, Wendy. On Sunday, Wendy. This now, I'm very sure he pay you, but he sweets me.
Igbudu, the great God of our land. Is this you?
Hi. Adi.
Adibe, there is nothing here. This is not the handwork of the gods.
Are you serious?
The gods say they have no hand in this. But Iche Ibekwe, we saw this after the thunder struck.
Yes.
This is not the handwork of the gods. I thank the gods. I told you people. I said it. The gods are silent for now until Agboma refuses to come back. You can go about your businesses. Let me go.
Hey, Njanje Bole Njanja. I told them.
Hey! So you are laughing?
Ow! Eh? You want me to be crying?
Singing? He plays song, he sweet song. So you are the one that put that in there.
So that is why you want You want to run away from the village? Kai! My friend, go back home. After that, you will say you're a man. Okay, give it on a line.
Be careful with me, Anwan. Be careful with me. You gotta remove that thing.
You lie.
I will pass on you. You gotta remove that thing.
See, I'm not removing anything. I'm not removing anything until Ikunso gives me that goat that I found him for pushing me down. Or maybe you just pay me, then I'll remove it.
It's Sibo Onwegi. Okay. It's Sibo Onwegi. Okay. No problem.
What?
Anwan, as you can see me now, I am going straight to Ichie's house and tell them what you did. We shall see.
Look at this fool, See? No wonder you want to run from the village because of honorary pamphlet. After you say you're a man. See, for your information, I'm not removing anything. I made a mistake. Why did I even tell you? I would have allowed him to run. It's just that he doesn't have a girlfriend that I can occupy and handle very well. My friend, you're not useful. You're not useful. Let me continue.
Mama. This is not the right thing for you to do. Papa will not be happy about this.
Ego, what is it? Can't I visit my people again? See, when your father comes back, tell him I have gone to see my brother and his wife.
Mama, leave this bag now. Papa is here. Lie.
What is happening? Baby, where are you going with your bag?
I want to go and visit my brother and his wife.
And he did not tell me in the morning. Did why are you like this? Why are you like this? Me and you know that you are just running away from this village because of what is happening. I know you.
Nine, is it not better I go? So that all of us cannot die at once.
Mama, are you praying for us to die?
Nine. Hey! Nani! Hey! What is it? Hey! Could we imagine that it was Anwanwu that tied that palm front in front of Ikonso's house?
What are you saying?
He just told me.
What? Are you serious?
Mama, you see. You see.
Thank God you came. This is what I was telling my wife now. Look at her bag. She wants to leave this village. She wants to run away.
Mama Ego, it has not gotten to this.
I'm going to see Anwanwu now. If he does not take his time, I will deal with him in this village.
There is big trouble now.
What is it? What is it?
There is bad news going around the village. You need to come with me so you hear for yourself. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
I was even planning to come and sympathize with you. Sympathize what? Hey! Iche, I was sitting down and drinking when somebody was telling somebody that told two people that told another person. I heard it and the person told me. Now I'm telling you that there is an accident on Lagos Road. 19 buses. 19 buses. Everybody died. Hey, Njanja. We are even talking of the dead body. Steering is missing. They did not see one steering. Hey, Iko. How does it concern Iko? Iche, is it not Lagos that Iko went to? So if 19 buses had accident, Iko must be in one. Iko must be in one, no? Because why? Why Iko?
Does it mean that Iko saw it dead?
Bam! Hey! How? Hey! Iko! Oh! Why? Hey! Hey! See?
Oga. Shall this place be first tag?
Benny, yes, this first tag.
Kini? I'm looking for my sister. My name is Ikonso. I came from Ozala. So I'm looking for my sister. Her name is Abomma. She stays here in first tag.
Omo Iboni.
Ezibote Nwafo.
Where I share a buruku. Kini? Where I share a buruku. Omo Ibo. Where I get it down. Papa, yeah. Kini?
I just asked a question. Ndala juno bra. Pano ndala o. Ngwenyi siri mwana bra. Bros, good afternoon.
What? Nala Macau. Kefeleme.
Igbo. Okay. Bros, my name is Ikonso. I'm from Ozala. I came to this first tag to look for my sister. They say she lives there. She's fair in complexion. She's like me. When she was in the village, she do keep punk.
I don't know what you are talking about. I don't know her.
My brother, what I'm saying is there will be problem if I don't see this my sister. I came all the way from the village because something is spoiling in my village. I need to see her. Biko, I want them.
I don't know her. Why are you disturbing me?
Why are you like this? As you only for once you see anybody, you should talk to the person rudely. Why is it like this in Lagos? Or your brother can ibu akpa na-achọkwa ị na-achọ ihe na-achọ. Ihe achọta nwanne gị o.
Hey, chai!
Mbelembe. The gods of our land. How do we escape this? How do we escape this?
Nine. The best thing is for us to run away from this village, oh. Yes, Papa. This time I'm running with Mama. I will not stay here and die.
Nothing is going to happen. What is going to happen? After all, we are not the only members of this kindred.
We are not, Nai, but we are the closest. Ikonso's father was your elder brother. Osi, Nwankwa and the others are only kinsmen. Now, if the oracles want to kill now, we'll be the one they will start with. Now, I don't want to die, you. Me too.
Nobody's going to die. Nobody's going to die. Huh? Nobody's going to die. People should leave me, let me think. Leave me, go.
Nai, me, I'll run away. I'll not stay here.
If you be running, I'll run away too. Hi. Mbelembe. Who am I running to now? Where will I run to? Obajigodoro. Hi. Nkatanka.
I'm happy you're enjoying the food.
This food is sweet. Now I see why you people don't want to come back home.
Yeah, what am I going to the east to do? When we have this kind of food here. It's even an Igbo woman that owns it. Her husband is the white man that just passed.
Oh, no,
that white man that just passed. Oh dear. I'm telling you.
This is correct Igbo food. Do you know when I came? I was busy asking people, please, I'm new, I want to see my sister. One even want to meet me. He was speaking Yoruba for me. One Yoruba guy. Oh, my log, I'm in a good man.
They will speak Yoruba for you now.
This food is something else.
I'm happy enjoying it. People look, eat, let's go. I'm in a haste. I have to go and do something.
I'm here. Your house is fine. You people are really enjoying in this first act Lagos.
You can say that again. Now that you're here, you will enjoy with us.
I am not here to enjoy. I'm here to take my sister back to the village. Because if I don't go with her...
Come on. You just have to cool down and take it easy. We've not even found this your sister yet. Not to talk of taking her back to the east.
I just need to go with her. If I don't go to the village with my sister... Madia, when are you even taking me to the place?
I have a friend that will call. She knows everywhere in Lagos. She will take us around. I believe she will do something for us. Just calm down here. Oh, you'll see your sister. You know you're a fine boy. And where is your bag?
I don't know what happened. I lost my bag at the park.
Jesus, at the park? Oh, so sorry. Poor you. Don't worry, let me just go and make a call. We'll see what we can do. Adefine, where you dey? Babe, I've been calling you since I was at the restaurant. I told you I'm with him now. Come now, let's get this guy down. Let him work for us. This guy is still new in this town. Yes. Yes, come, let's use him. He's the kind of person we need for this business, please. I don't want to lose this guy. Okay, I'm waiting for you. We don't have time to waste. All right. Okay, bye.
Don't even make a move. I heard all the things you were telling your friend. You and your friend Shilim. I must tell you that I'm an original Igbo man. If you get to me, you will never is aware. So there's nothing you and your friend can do to me. So whatever you're planning, the it cannot work. Ibudu, gods of my ancestors, please protect me.
Ikonso, what's the meaning of this rubbish? What kind of nonsense is this now? That Ibudu you're calling will not help you. Police will arrest you.
Let them come. Let police arrest me.
You know when I'm Igbo, police will arrest you.
Let me tell you one thing you don't know. I'm an Igbo man. You cannot eat me anti-manly woman. See?
Imanli gan mata.
See? Imanli woman. Let me tell you one thing. You see, in this city, I am here to stay. I came here so my sister can follow me back home. Call police, I'll tell them what happened.
Police will arrest you.
Arrest you. Let me tell you another thing. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me again. If I get too close to me, go out outside. In the hot.
Handcuff. Ikonso. What kind of mistake is this now? Hey, I don't forget. I should have known that this guy was listening to me. Hi.
Oremi, why can't they blame me like saying it's my fault?
Maybe it was your fault. I called you. You should have answered me. You should have come here when I called you.
But you for hold and down now. Shebi na you dey sabi the woman. That you forget your talent.
I forget talent. Which one be talent again? Which one be talent again? This guy is not somebody you can just hold down like that. He's not even behaving like a village boy.
Who is him? Where you know if he hold and down?
That boy does not even know anywhere in Lagos. So I don't know.
Who they carry Papa they come city?
That boy does not know anywhere in Lagos. That's my own. I don't know. See problem for just so use am.
I don't
know what you dey do for them.
Baba you lost anywhere kò síbi tó máa gbà lọ.
Kò síbi tó. He don't run.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kíní ọ̀rẹ́ ò yé mi o. Follow mo.
What's it time?
6:30, sir.
6:30?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As for me, I would say let us not believe what Anwang said. Because it's that not how he has been putting us into trouble.
Nai, this is not all about Anwang. It's in the news everywhere. We are finished. Kindred and Wusigo.
Njanje bole na njanja o. Njanje bole njanja. What do we do? How do we survive this? I suggest let's go and meet Ibekwe. And beg him to talk to the gods to give us more time.
Ezokunai, you are right. You are right.
Hi.
There is panic everywhere. I hope my children don't run away.
Even my wife nearly ran away today. Now she has heard this news. I don't know where she'll be by now. Njanje bole njanja.
Honey, look at me.
I can't believe it.
Honey, my darling.
Honey, are you sure?
I'm fine.
You okay?
I'm okay. I'm well.
Oh my God.
I'm fine.
Oh my God.
Honey, just the same way it happened the last time. Just the same way it happened the last time. Look at me. I just saw myself well. I got up healthy, sound, healthy. I'm fine.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
I'm well now.
I can't believe it. But how did this happen? I can't believe
Honey,
it.
I
I'm
don't
extremely
know.
happy. We need to celebrate.
Ibekwe, I came to find out if Nkoso was involved in the accident that happened along Lagos Road.
Nothing is wrong with him. But you must bring her fast, or else Ibudu may begin to react again.
It's okay. Nkoso will bring her.
I'm sure say he go recognize this place.
That guy will recognize this place.
For sure.
That guy is too experienced. He might not have come to Lagos before, but he's very smart. Over smartness, they worry that guy. He can go sabi here.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, o sure pa ni ma lọ báyìí. Baba you ti drink.
Na me they tell you now.
He calm down.
Go sabi.
You again?
Isel, I just want to help you. I'm not going to hurt you.
I said I don't want your help. If the gods be with me, I will definitely find an Igbo person who will help me.
Ikokeki say pussy like this.
Baba rara, I
don't need your own help. Let
me help you now.
I don't want your help, auntie.
Go now.
See, if you guys don't leave, I will call police on you.
Police,
Go
and sit and come out. I'm waiting for you.
I'm
wait for him.
Wait for Tani. My feeling you
that boy, you won't
leave
like that.
And you say leave where bikini. Jamalo jare. And your friend then walk. You too smart.
people are looking for somebody to use solution. I come to polish all of you. Who is there? Who is here?
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What can I offer you?
There is this fufu and oha soup I ate here yesterday. I want that type. Yeah?
All right, sir. Just a minute.
Okay.
Make sure you take care of this place. Okay. It's alright. Yeah.
Aboma!
What are you doing here?
Thanks to the gods of our land, I know you will not forsake me.
Ikonso, when did you enter this town?
I came to eat. What are you doing here?
I own this place. This is my place.
Ask. You own here?
It's my place.
Aboma, this is your place.
It's my place. See, let's go to the house. Let's go.
Eh?
Let's go.
Hey!
Sweetheart.
Baby, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Who is this?
Ah, my twin brother. I told you about him.
Wow.
I told you about him.
How are you? I'm good, sir. You guys truly look alike.
Yes, he's my twin.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Honey, you can't believe that. I saw him today at the shop. Coincidentally, we met ourselves.
Wow. You are in the city with us. Yes, sir. Wow, that's wonderful. Please do take care of him.
Yes, let him freshen up. We'll come
Okay.
back. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Aboma, I don't think there's anything too hard about this. You know, that is the situation we found ourselves. I know how hard it might have been for you to want to leave everything you're doing to follow me down to the village. But my sister, you have to do it for us. At least to save our mother and our sister and the entire community. Biko, oh, I came all the way from the village just to beg you. Okay?
You called a daughter. Eh? Ugodia, you better tell her to come out. Look at what she did to my daughter. Look at what she did to my daughter now. Eh? Come out, oh! Come out, first.
It's okay, lady. I know you and your daughter are not here to kill my own daughter. Tell me exactly what happened. I don't understand.
Ugodia, what else do you want to know? What else do you want to know that happened? Look at my daughter. Look at what she did to my daughter. Eh? Tell her to come out and fight me, oh. Tell her to come out and fight me.
Biko, I beg you. I am begging you, please. Calm down. Eh? Because
Mama, now stop begging them. Maya, I'm here. Go. Fight me too. Go, fight me too. Aboma. Yes! If your daughter is on her own, a woman will not go and fight her. Don't stubborn. Don't be foolish. What kind of thing is Don't worry. Abama, we will go. You will see fight in this village. You will see fight in this village. Let's see. Mama, let's be ready for fights. I am ready for them in this village. Any of them that say the woman is their problem. Mama, I
Abama.
Wabuni taka, he got tagidaki na village here. He got tagidaki oba pogo no obuni change.
Wetin come to do you? Abama, every day you wear nika. Yakoba, imakwane buwani. Abama.
Where is she? Come out here before I demolish this house. Abama, where are you? Come out here before I set fire on this house. Where are you? Where is she now? Oh, Abama, come out here. So you have the guts to touch my sister. Abama.
What you call this house condo? You a grace? You come my papa house, they shout. Something they worry you. No, they fear face. You carry yourself enter my papa house, say you want come. Now fight, you want fight. You want fight me? Now fight, you want fight.
You think you can beat my sister?
Now fight, you want fight.
I am here to beat you. Did you know what kind of life? Did you know what kind of life you see? Did you know what kind of life you see? You are not.
Tell me that you come here to fight my daughter. Oh, get it.
I am here. Let me deal with her man to man by myself. I have
spoken with your mother about this matter. You people should leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter. After all, she did not do anything though. She only fought with her fellow girl.
Oh, Sigini, fellow girl. You are calling this thing a girl. Yeah, who can
he go fight me. He go fight. No go can't pray and come fight mama any of them that tried me in this village mama say kake atamia nonsense o ko si pass abe ha
wetin come to do you? Abama, every day you wear me.
Hi.
Good.
Did I offend anybody?
Aboma, my daughter. Why are you like this?
I did not do anything to any of them. They are the one looking for my trouble. Why would that girl call me Agboro? Papa, do I look like Agboro? Do I?
What of Okechi? And the little Samuel that you beat up. What did they call you? Aboma, nyere no onwe gị aka. Metru no onwe gị ebere n'ọkwa nwaanyị ka ị bụ.
Aboma, the other day, I met Anyam, and they are not happy with what you did to their son, and they are planning to come here with war.
Yeah. Papa, I didn't make a call. Let them come. They want to come with war. Let them come and fight me. Papa, see, if I see those people here,
Nine, it's better Aboma leave this village. Let her go to my sister's place in Amago and stay with her. Come on, to marry Hebiko.
Hey, I don't support that idea. They will kill her there. You can remember very well what happened to her the last time she went there. Please, Akam Okomadria Biko.
Papa, I am not going anywhere. I will remain in this village to protect you and Mama. Yes. Mama, don't you know that if I'm not in this village, people in this village will treat both of you anyhow? Is that what you want? I'm not going to Amago. I will only go to Amago on holidays. Finish.
I get to
You said don't grow. What's that going to do? Make her blame and make her do and dreadlock. It will make sense.
You are here calling me. Please take this money, go and get Maggie for me. Take. Go and get me Maggie. I need to put Maggie in what I'm cooking. Go fast. Come back here, come. Where are you going with this comb on your hair?
I no style with this now. I want to go buy you Maggie.
That is your business. If you like, put broom on your hair. Just go and get what I want for me.
Mama, you do the worry yourself. Your own, make her buy you Maggie, make you use cook. The more you stay here, they tell me someone. I no go buy the thing fast, come fast now. Calm down. Ma, go buy the Maggie for you.
Hi. God. What kind of daughter did you give to me? I thought by now this girl must have changed by now. But she's growing worse by the day.
I want to buy Maggie. Maggie 15 naira.
Aboma.
Ma?
What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of waiting? Meaning of coming to your shop to buy something waiting?
Meaning of combing your heads on my goods?
Mama, now you make you talk to me like that. I beg, no insult me. Now Maggie I won't buy, no verse.
If you come here and see somebody comb hair on my goods, will you buy?
Mama, you don't do now. I did just smart in now. I just did here and see my comb my hair small. Now you make you talk to me like this. I don't want insult. Say Maggie, give me my come out. Give me Maggie 15 naira.
I'm not selling again. Go. If you see somebody combing hair on this goods, will you buy? Mr. Agboma or Obi? Mama, I don't know when you will learn to know that you're a woman and not a man.
Wait. Mama, did I hear you call me Mr. Agboma?
No.
Mama, I know why I insult you. I know why I insult you. I know what I feed you. Smart time now they go say, Agboma don't do this one, Agboma don't do the other one. I don't want trouble. Now your son has the respect too. If not be a son, Mama. I'm see me. No insult Agboma. Leave me make I go my own. No wahala.
Mama, etam kake. You. Go away. Look at you, Agbo. Look at you.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, you go Agboro. Me Agbomba. No wahala. Mama, I go leave you. I go just leave you. Agboma no be mad person. But today, I go just leave you. Waka my own go. But you see this way you call me today. You see this way you call me today. Tomorrow, another woman go look your daughter or your son. Call them Abu. You go know how you be.
Come, what did I hear you say, Agboma? Come, are you insulting me? Come my son for me. Look at you. What are you going to do? You need to do. See, I said you don't go pass here. Mr. Agboma.
Mama, you said Agboma insulted you today. Agboma has the guts to insult you, Mama.
Teach her a lesson. Meyaife. She has been insulting people everywhere. She thinks she can insult me and go free.
Mama, just relax yourself, okay? Don't bother yourself at all. Except Agboma didn't cross this road today. If she crosses here, Agboma's color will change today. I promise you.
I trust you. That girl,
Mama,
I be that boy.
Wait.
Hey.
Mama, give me a chair first. Let me sit down. Hey, come here.
Hey! Agboro!
Agboma, come here.
Come here. Are you going away? Come and insult my son. Mama. Papa.
I beg. Mama, I beg. I no want trouble. I no want trouble. I don't beg you. I beg. If to say I come your shop, come here be a problem. I'm sorry.
Shut up. Abomma, is something wrong with you? So you came to my mother's shop to comb your hair? Eh? Does my mother's shop looks like a salon before your eyes?
Obele,
eh?
I saw you the judge. Eh? Obele, your mama call me Agboro. Your mama look me call me Agboro.
What thing you did before?
If your mama call me Agboro, what go call you? What will you be? You don't look like Agboro. You don't be Agboro. You don't be criminal. Take your time, I don't want to be. You know who I be? Ma takwagi, me tiegi.
Abomma, did I hear you well?
Yes, you hear me well. Who you be? What you go do?
You insulted me, Abomma.
Get out! Nonsense.
Abomma, you insulted me.
Come on, idiot.
Abomma, you haven't heard of Obele. Are you crazy? Is something wrong with you? Eh? Haven't you asked for Obele in this house? You're very stupid, though.
Obele is slapping me. Hey! Hey! Never seen it. Hey! Come on!
Mama!
Leave my son alone! Hey! Stop! Stand up! Hey!
Mama!
Come on, get out! Mama! Stand up and fight! No, come fight! Hey! That's fine when you start one
Waiting come to do you.
Hey! Look at that! You want to kill my son?
Give me pure water. Wash my hands.
Look at this man.
Mama, where are you now? Aye, Mama. Opa keep going me for. I want Mama, you go to pure water first. Give me pure water. Let me clean. Where are you? I'm only hearing your voice now. Mama, Opa keep going
Abomma, when will you change? Eh? Abomma, what kind of person are you? Eh? Why are you doing this to me?
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me too? Eh? I am here telling you what happened. All you could do is to blame me. Why do you always even see me as a troublemaker?
Huh? Abomma, why did you go out with that comb in your hair? Eh? After talking to you here, look at the money I asked you to go and buy now. You have lost it. Can you be happy?
That one no be problem. I'll go and buy another maggi. Another one.
Come back here. You know that Obele and his mother have been looking for a way to catch you. Now you have gotten yourself into their trap.
What are you even saying? Eh? It's all lie. They are lying. I did not look for anybody's trouble. Obele has been the one looking for my trouble. Eh? Why won't you just believe me? The one I gave to him today, will be a lesson to him and every other person in this village. Like I said, anyone that look for one must do. Anyone that look for my trouble, Tiaya, Tayakaki. You hear me? Let me go and get you will not kill me. No problem. I know you will never support your own daughter once in this house. You don't go ever support me. You will never support me. Every time I want ma. No problem.
Madam, stop there. Hey, Abomma, you see you today. Eh? It is you and I today. Abomma, today. I swear to God. Today, I will know if you're a man or you're a woman.
Wait. Yeah. On a boy that I got there for me. Eh? On a go plan for me with Abomma, eh? Hi.
Make sure it's up. Shut up. So you still get mad to talk.
Two of you now. As soon as big, rich men will call themselves men, old fools. Now me will be woman. When I go sit down, go plan, carry stick for hand, come fight me. So if I leave now, when I go use this stick now, begin fight me.
Nana, see this girl. Nana, see this girl.
How see this girl? See. Come back. On a bon one. On a try young mama. Him on your bomb.
Wait, man. Wait. Anyị na-abụ ka isi na itie ita anyị ka akị. Nana, nego this. Look at this girl, oh. Look at this girl.
Obele, not to $1 million. Ma wala me check of auntie. Nana 2 million obu. Not 2 million no one. 2 million no dey am wa check.
Pursue me. Enter with me. Come now, make all that pursue with you like nonsense.
Aboma, you enter the shrine of Ibudu without permission. Hey!
Come out for there. Nothing that happen. As I dey here now, Ibudu not say now you pursue me. Come here. You know the truth. You know everything. You no go do me anything. But if you enter here, you go see what you go do. Oh yeah now.
Aboma, you don't just know what you have done. You have committed a great abomination and sacrilege put together for a woman like you to enter the shrine of Ibudu with your nika. You have killed yourself.
Now that one, you want you put fear into me. You no go fit put fear into me. They hear me? I know they fear you. As it be so, I know they fear Oracle. Oracle na my paddy, na my person. Me and him they communicate. You know everything. You know say na day at fault. I no do anything. When I pursue me come here, as I come here, now you go protect me. You no go deal with me. You no go do me anything. What be that self?
See, this one is not a matter of Obio. It's not a matter of see, let me just tell you, you just finished yourself. By the time he will deal with you, you see this yaju on your head. This yaju you have on your head, it will be cut off immediately. Look at you. Don't worry. The whole of us that will hear this thing. Just wait. Ozare!
Hey, Ozare! Call them. They don't go enter. No, na enter now. Ibudu, you know everything now. I know say you see everything will happen so. As it be so, I don't do them anything. They pursue me enter here. No be my fault. Not their fault. You understand now? You know what's in there. Abba, where they come? As it be. You see everything. I don't do them anything. They come pursue me. I make you protect me. I make you always make me enter here. Don't be safe for me. So I could get food though. How do I take it? I can be my help. Hey! Chineke, kisi man is about gone now. Chineke. Hey! But I didn't think I want 4 bottles in music on you. Hey! Hey! Look at me biscuits everywhere. I'm enjoying you. I'm going to biscuits, not to have biscuits, not. Correct mixture. What are we going to do? Hey! Sorry. I go on now. Good luck. Nana! That's our biscuit. If you enter here, I will not allow you to eat this biscuit and me as I'm drinking. But because you're my party, if you drink them, nothing will happen. I'm going to give you money. Make it not small. Make it not be so I get patcha. Ay! Chineke! Nana! Nana! That's our biscuit. If you enter here, I will not allow you to eat this biscuit and me as I'm drinking. But because you're my party, I feel drink am. Nothing happen.
Abom, what's kept you long? And where is the water?
Wasn't all those stupid fools? Nana and Obele. Mama, do you know they planned for me? Those stupid boys ganged against me to beat me. Ma, trust me now, I dealt with them.
But I told you. Did I not? I told you that they will definitely gang up against you. Did I not tell you?
Mama, leave that one. They don't fit do me anything. Eh? Okay, if they hire me, him and hire me tata. If you see what happened there, I don't know if he's still alive or he's dead. So after hitting Obele down, what is the other one? Nana, that's chasing me with one big stick. Mama, I ran into the shrine. Huh? I was expecting him to come in now. I said, Nana, come inside the shrine, come and beat me for inside the shrine. He was not able to enter. Hey! I saw Fanta, I saw biscuit, I just sit down on my own, eat biscuit, drank Fanta, enjoy myself. Begin come out. Only thing be say our gallon for water. I left it there.
Aboma, did I hear you well? You ran into Ibudu shrine? How? With whose permission? With this nigga? Hey, I am finished. Mama. I am finished, sir, for the one abomination.
Leave that.
Use of our land. What is happening here?
As if you don't know. Eh? As if you don't know. Your daughter has disputed our land. She killed Obele. Obawale Abamu. Not only that, Aboma entered the shrine of Ibudu without permission, wearing nika. Hey!
My own Aboma.
Yes!
Oh, madam, I don't like what I hear. She must come out now. Yes. Thank God you know the consequences. Aboma must die. Or we will enter and bring her by force. We will enter now by force.
Please, my people. I beg you. Don't do anything bad to her. Please, wait till her father comes back. Bikonunu. Bikonu.
We should wait until her father comes back. Madam, the chief priest demands for her. And she must come out immediately. It's either you go there and bring her out or we'll burn down this house. Wait. See, madam.
So, the little mistake I made long ago is what is taking me to the village now.
Yes. And I believe once you say sorry to the oracle, everything will be fine. You will just come back, start doing your business. Just to say sorry. Nothing more.
Akpo honey, I'll be very glad and excited if both of us can travel to your village. Especially to save your mother and your sister and visit your families. And also, moreover, it will be a very great opportunity for me to pay your dowry to your families. Think it over, please.
I gather you all here to let you know that I'll be traveling. And I want to find out if you all can handle this place. If you cannot, let me shut it down. When you look around, you said work is going on. I'm putting a lot here. So I wouldn't want it to be messed up. So I want to hear from you guys. Can you handle this place?
Yes, ma'am. We can handle it. We've learned the preparations of the food. You can take care of everything while you're away.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm happy to hear that. I'll be traveling by the weekend. I will make sure I take care of your salaries before I go.
Thank you, ma.
Please, take care of this place. Put hands together. Let it be a teamwork, okay? If you have any problem, make sure you call me to let me know about that. I will miss you guys.
Miss you too, ma.
It's alright. Alright.
Tell Uncle. Yes. Tell everybody that Mama is back.
Right away.
Papa! Papa! Hey! Let's go.
Papa, give us money now. Papa, give us money now. You want us to die of hunger?
Stop following me around.
Papa, give us money. Give us money. Papa, give us money. Give us money.
Your mother has been wanting to leave this village, all because Ikonso is not yet back. Leaving us that deserve to die, and you have the mind to live with your mother. I'm not giving you 1 naira.
Papa, this is not fair. Oh, it's not fair. You should be the one supporting us to even leave this village. Didn't you see that Obi and her mother has left the village? Yet Iche is giving them money right there.
No.
Papa, you see? Tell us, who has died? Tell us!
Osi, who died? Right. Who have they killed again, Osi? Kill Ukwa? No. Ikonso is back in this village with our mama. What did I hear you say? Ikonso? Yes, now. Did you see our mama with eyes? Ha! Not only that, they are heading straight to the house. Come and see the kind of car Aboma is driving. Oh, this Okechi, oh, this big car. Wow. I said it. I said it that Ibudu will not disappoint us. Those who want to run, let them keep running. Eh? Let's go. Hey! Janja bole janja. Iko! Kroto mwamu. Hey! Omakani. Abo. Look at you. Look at you. Have not checked though. You still have not remembered to cut your hair. Hey!
Uncle, look at that woman.
Uncle, who's the young lady with you?
Your sister. Ego, my last daughter.
Ego.
It's Lego.
Yes.
Oh, no. Come on, be here with me. Come on, sit with me.
I don't want to. Njanja bole njanja. Iko.
I told you. But I said it, I will bring her back.
Ibudu has done it. Eh? How are you? Welcome to Osala Kingdom. Njanja ebu njanja. Neni njanja. Good year.
Nam, thanks to Ibudu. Eh? He called someone. Oga Dregema.
Isa?
Njanja ebu njanja.
Njanja no one njanja.
Auntie Agoma has made money. She even came back with Oyibo man.
Hey, Oyibo man.
Yes, sir.
Maybe the Oyibo man could be her husband. Or you think she'll come back to this village to serve you people's gods with her nails and lashes that she feeds? Never.
Never. She has no option. That is the reason why she came back home now.
You people are here gossiping. You are here gossiping, Abi. I heard that the console is back. Is it true?
Yes, so we are just coming back from there. He came back with a woman.
Hi! See, I know of the 3 wise men. I've never heard of 3 wise women. Because from the look of the way you people are gossiping, your wiseness is missing. So I need to go and see with my eyes. Because whatever Amu sees is the written. You people's eyes are not clean. Please go. See, he pays some, he sweet some. He pays some, he sweet some. He pays them, he sweet me all. He pays some.
Meguna answer me, amolo wake, gini ke mulum, ejira la kokoto bwe, ajuzonye, mama, kagaju, okwana kuo, amolo wake, giri watu, ejira la kokoto bwe, nebia kikulo no, mama, kagaju.
Njanje bwele njanje. Aye merigo. Iko. Okechi.
It's not a small something. I told you that I will bring her back. You doubted me. Look at it, she's back with me.
Papa, you do banana. Okuo ome. You have done as you said.
Do you know that Lagos is very big? It's not as small as our community. All the very large people in Lagos. I nearly got lost. To an extent, I started asking people, please, do you know my sister? Do you know my sister? I met one stupid Yoruba boy. He started saying, bating. Finally, I have to apply my Igbo sense. Even I got to a place to eat. Then I go back.
We are happy you are here. Ikonso, did you tell her what is on board?
No. I did not tell her, but there's a way I put it. At least to make her come back. Now that she's here, we can as well discuss it.
So, who is that white man?
She said it's her husband.
Huh? Okay, sir. Husband? Huh? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Did you not pay her bride price? Or did you collect money? You know, you see one day.
What am I hearing? Ikonso, I knew you would make it. Hey, they were busy talking. Ipenso is whistle. They were busy saying, oh Sunday, oh Wednesday. So you're back. Because I told them you will come back even without transport. Because I heard you came back with her. Where is she?
Anwangu. What you do is this: sit down on the ground. That is your brand.
Because how can you tell me to sit on the ground when there are many empty seats here? Thank you! Thank you! Hi, Ije! Hi, Ije! How come you know my brand? Hi, Ije, leave smaller things. There are bigger ones.
Mama. Uche. I'm so sorry, okay? I am here now to settle everything. Everything will be fine. My daughter, thank you. I am happy to be alive and see you once again.
Sister, thank you for coming to save our lives.
It's alright. I had to do this. When Iko told me about this, I have to come down here with my husband. Mama, this is my husband. His name is Hakot. I mean, it's not a big deal to come and say sorry to the oracle. We have to do it.
Huh? You mean you're just here to say sorry?
Yes, Mama. Honey, was that not what Iko said when he came?
Yes, honey, yes. Shall we go now and say sorry?
No, honey, they're not ready yet. When they're ready, they will let us know.
Okay.
So calm down.
Hey! Ha! Look at her! A woman! The great woman! Hey!
Hello.
Hi!
How are you doing?
I'm fine, oh! I know you don't remember me again.
No, I don't. Please remind me.
See, this is Ivani. Then you put one.
Are you serious?
Yes, oh.
What have you done to yourself?
I do what?
He has used drink to finish himself.
Aboma, it's a lie, oh. It's a lie. See, it's hardship. It's hardship, oh. See, nobody in this village will go through what I've gone through and will not make drink his companion. Ta! They will not try it. See, but let's just leave all these ones. I'm happy that you're back. You're welcome. And see, you're looking good too. Chai! See, let me go and join those men before they boot to the uncle. They like drink more than me. Oh. It's just that they will be saying it's me. It's me. No.
This guy wasn't like this. Mama, what happened to him? What has he done to himself? How come he turned himself into a drunkard?
Now I'm happy. Who will hear that she will be killed and stay?
Papa is not happy. He must be there by now.
If he like, let him be angry. So he wants me to stay and die. Me, I will not die, yo. If not that she's back, I wouldn't have come back to this house again.
Mama, we need to go there and see how. I think she came back with an Oyibo man.
Inokwa. She must have bought a lot of things for us. So let's go and keep the bag so we'll go.
Welcome, my people. I am happy that we have done what we promised to do.
Wow, honey. Akpo, look at this.
Don't dare touch that.
Sorry, sir. Honey, please don't touch it again.
Sorry, sir.
So I'm here now. Let's go ahead.
Warn him to avoid another trouble. Kneel. Great
Ibudu. Ibudu, the great deity of our land. We have come. Your daughter have come. Your servant has come to answer you. Hear her and spare her people. She has come to make amends. She has come to serve you. Hold this. It is done.
Okay, can I apologize now?
You have nothing to apologize, my daughter. You have fulfilled it. You are now the great servant of great Ibudu. The new servant of great Ibudu.
I don't get it. What's the meaning of this, Iko? What is he saying?
Aboma, he means that you are the new servant. In short, you are the new priestess of the oracle. No! Do you know what you have done? You threw away the staff of office? Because so, did you not explain this to her?
Wise one, I did not. No, I did not.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Iko? You deceived me? You told me I'm here just to say sorry to the oracle for him to stop killing my people. What is this about the princess he's talking about?
Listen to me, Aboma. Aboma, I told you that for you to come back first. See, this is the main thing. You have to serve the oracle. That's the only way this land will be at peace.
Are you serious? This is bullshit.
I brought bullshit.
I cannot do this.
Nanya, Aboma.
I cannot.
You will do this, Aboma, Nanya.
Let's leave here.
Let's go. Aboma, Nanya. Aboma, you maybe. Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
I'm talking to you. Please, I beg you. Please, look at us. Do you want us to die? Yeah? Mama? Hey, are you serious? Are you actually begging me to stay here, leave my business in the city, to come down and serve the oracle? Hey, I can't believe this.
You cannot leave us in this condition. We will die if you leave us. Brother Papa died a long time ago because of this. Have mercy on us. Pity us.
Honey, it's very hard, you know. It's very hard.
Mama, I cannot do that. He also lied to me. My own twin brother lied to me. He told me I'm only here to say sorry to the deity, not to come and serve the deity. Why would I do that?
My daughter, please. We are going to die. Because your sister and I.
Mama, nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to both of you. First thing tomorrow morning, I will leave this village with you. Hey! Abama, Bikono! Abama! Sister!
Now, what did you just say? She should not try that, oh. Papa, keep pushing her to go back, oh.
What do we do? If she refuses, she can go back. Me, myself, I want to leave this village, oh. I want to run away like you people.
run away with us. Hey!
What I will do now is to go and meet Ibekwe to help us beg the gods to exclude us, to exclude our name. We have tried as a family. We have tried. We have gone to Lagos and brought Aboma back. I don't want to die. Okay, I'm coming.
Come. He wants to run away from us. So let him stay now.
Because I hate you. You did this to your own twin sister. You lied to me.
Aboma, I'm sorry, but that was the only option to bring you back. Aboma, do you want your whole family to wipe out? Who will call it family? Tell me, when you finally return. Who will call it family?
It's okay, honey. Let's think about it.
No! That is nothing to think about here. Nothing to think about. We have business to run in this city. We can't do this. We can't.
What is this fucking bullshit tradition?
Don't even utter that word again. What? My own tradition? Bullshit. Don't even discuss about my tradition, because you people don't have tradition. So respect mine.
Stop it! What is wrong with you? Don't talk to my man that way again. Don't try it. We are here purely for our traditional marriage. But since it's like this, first thing tomorrow morning, we're leaving this village for good.
You're living where?
Now we are in trouble. If Aboma refuses to serve Ibudu, we are finished. No. I am not finished. It is Aboma and her husband that is finished, not me. Look, even Ibudu will acknowledge that we have done what we are expected to do. We have brought her back to the village. If Ibudu allows her to go back to the city, that is his problem, not me. I will not bother myself again. Nah, I think you are right. Because we have brought her back. If at least let Ibudu show her little of his power. Yeah, I'm only here now. Because as for me, I am not going anywhere. I'm not dying any. In fact, I'm not going to kill myself in this matter. Now you're talking. Now you are talking. Let's go. Hi. Let's go. Come.
When because I can see you, it was your name. When because you, he got you. And now I'm
Uncle, why? Why, Uncle, why? Why are you doing this to me? What is the meaning of this?
My daughter, this is tradition.
Tradition, my food! I am not interested! Even my own twin brother deceived me! I can't take it!
Do you want all of us to perish? All of us cannot perish because of this. Ibudu have spoken. What you have to do now, go home, sit down, think about it and know what to do.
Uncle, I am not thinking about anything! I am not interested, and that's all!
Let me tell you, Aboma, you cannot do this. Aboma, I am warning you, Aboma. Don't do this, Aboma.
I am not interested. I cannot do it. I don't know how you expect a city woman like me to leave my business, come down here to serve the deity. I cannot do that, honey. Let's leave here.
What you will do is what you will do. You will serve him for a while. Your twin brother will complain for where you stopped, please.
I am not interested. I cannot serve any deity. I know what I can do here. I can't do it. How can a city woman like me come and sit down here in the village to serve the princess? I can't do it. Let's leave here.
I told you, hey, you cannot go anywhere. Hey, Aboma, you cannot go anywhere.
Oyibo, just remove your mouth out of this one. Even a make it about Gisinanya, Rapapa, I remember that. Nana, what is going on? What is this? She said she can't see. And I'm if he goes so. Ma, Boga Abung Wejana and Stanibu.
Ibu is at work. I want to know.
Are you sure? I can't see anything. I can't see anything.
Ibudu has forgiven you.
Thanks to you.
But she should be warned. If she's now ready to serve Ibudu can restore her sight.
Aboma, please, do this for us and yourself. Do it for your people. Biko. Huh?
Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready to do whatever you guys want me to do. Let me get my sight back. Please. I'm ready.
Your daughter have agreed to do the needful. Please restore her sight.
Hell no, please. Please don't use this dirty water.
Hey, white man, do not cross this line. Adili, who did you say this man is? Warn him!
Oh, Mr. Harcourt, you must understand that this is our custom and tradition. You have to respect it.
Bloody hell, the water is dirty.
No.
Honey, please stay out of this, okay? Allow them to do what they want to do.
Okay, honey.
You have seen me. I don't know what to tell her again.
She just have to. She has to do what she is asked to do. Anyway, I came to see her. To see if my words will make her change her mind.
Yeah. I don't know her. If not for the blindness, she wouldn't have agreed to follow them. I pray that she regain her sight.
She will. She will. Ibudu will not allow a handicap to serve him. She will. She just have to.
If there's some is with some, if there's some is with some. Who is here? If there's some is with some. You people are just sitting. Nobody is talking. Eh? Where is Aboma? I'm here to talk some sense into her head. Where is she?
Mom. She's not here.
Good.
They have gone to Ibudu Shrine.
Very good. So she has decided to do it now. Oh! See, that means I have to go there. So that if she decides to run, I will catch her, grab her, and deliver her back to them. I'm going there now. Ipensom is with some more. Ipensom is with some more. Ipensom is with some. Ipensom is with some.
Look at someone that has not held himself well. He wants to catch another person.
I don't even know himself.
Look at me. The gods have done it.
My friend is here.
Get up.
That is not a problem. That you serve Ibudu does not mean that you cannot travel and come back. Ibudu say, you can travel and come back. And that you will employ 8 virgins that will walk with you here. That will serve you also as they walk with you.
Really?
Yes, but one more thing. That you will not marry this white man.
What are you saying?
Aboni, what the hell is he talking about?
I don't get it. What's the meaning of this? Iko? What are they saying? What has my marriage got to do with the priest or the deity?
Aboma, one thing you must understand is this. You must obey the gods. You must obey it.
I cannot. I can't.
Njanja.
Now, what are you trying to say? Are you saying that Aboma will no longer marry?
You will marry. A man has been kept for you. His name is Anwang.
Hey! Ass. Anwang. Ass.
Hey! Nonsense. I will not.
Hey!
It's not possible. It's not possible. I can't take this.
Hey! Njanja na njanja. Ebu njanja na njanja. Nenu njanja na njanja.
Ipensom is with some. Ipensom is with some. Ipensom is with some. Ipensom is with some. On Sunday or Wednesday, on Sunday or Wednesday, oh. Ipensom is with some. Ipensom is with some. That is. Why are you telling me?
Drinker in the whole village. What are you doing here?
See, I am here to shine my eyes. I need to shine my eyes, oh, because when I see Aboma, I will finish her. I will finish her. I'm telling you. Eh? Does she know what these village people have been going through for many years now? Eh? Or is it because Ibudu is very kind to her? Eh? If I had died in all of this, what will she say? Eh? So I need to shine my eye, then I will finish her.
So you've
not heard.
Heard what?
Hey. So you've not heard that the gods, Ibudu said you must marry a woman and that's final. So you've not heard. I didn't say anything. Don't even go and say I told you. I didn't say anything. In fact, I didn't even. I didn't see today.
Come. See, you cannot give me such news even without drinking. Ah! Wait, what did I hear? That I will marry a woman. Try! My love! My love!
I beg you give me one bottle, make I wash you down my sorrow.
You know my joy? My joy is that we have completed our task. Yes.
Look, see. If she likes, let her marry Anwangu. If she likes, let her refuse. Whatever comes out of it, she will bear it alone. At least, Ibu has shown her small of his power. Ocheniya City.
That white man must be going crazy by now. How can you be married to a woman without going to her people to pay the bride price? Eh? No, you want to marry.
These young people, you see how they neglect, destroy, rubbish custom and tradition. Eh? If that white man tries anything stupid in this village, we are not the youth. I may know ya no. Nai dalo. Oh, kambutuo. But I wonder how a woman will settle with Anwangu. Hey.
How they like, you know. Our gods. What do you think? Eh? We humans don't even understand.
Is this not wickedness? Eh? What has my marriage with the white man got to do with this? What?
One thing I understand is this. The gods better have a rethink. Because there's no way Anwangu, who is a drunk, will marry my sister. It's not done anywhere. This is totally unacceptable.
My children, that is the gods for you. That is why you're not supposed to have anything to do with them. If you had listened to me, maybe this punishment will not come up.
See, since the custodian of the gods said he can travel anytime you want and come back, I see that Anwangu will be the one taking care of the gods while you travel. Yes. And by the way, where's your husband? I mean, Mr. Scott.
I think he's inside.
They have called me. This is the only good thing the gods have done for me since I was born. My great-in-law, I greet all of you. Why are they going inside? Is this how we will do this marriage?
Please, no one is in the mood for this, Biko. I was about going to the kitchen.
Abiago.
Please.
What the hell you think you are fucking doing, you motherfucker? They don't see you, yet they fear you, but I don't fear you. You took my wife to give her to someone else, and I should keep quiet about it? You fucking motherfucker!
White man, stop them. What do you think you are doing? Nice to see you, old man. Nice to see you. What do you think you are fucking doing? Akpo is my wife. And nobody take her away from me. All these your gods are fake. Useless. I don't fear you. Do you fucking understand? I'm from the city. You can't just cheat me out.
Get out of here before the gods get mad at you. Do not forget you are in Nigeria. When you are in another country, obey their law.
What fucking laws are you talking about? All this is fake. Everything is fake. Do you fucking understand? See? Oh. Damn. What is this?
You see? Get out of here before you lose your life.
Your gods are fucking wicked. You are fucking wicked. You are fucking evil. You are bad.
Ibudu! Ipesom iswisomo. Ipesom iswisomo. Osondi Owendi. Osondi Owendi. See, what have I done? Tell me. What have I done? Yeah? What the gods have given me? Aboma have refused that I will not take it in peace. What have I done? I will not rest until she marries me. Me. What have I done? Eh? The gods have given me free of charge. Aboma said I cannot have it in peace. Me. Aboma must marry me. I will not rest. And see, let me tell you so that you can go and tell him. You see that white man? Ogata concrete. Ogata ja. I will make him stay in this village miserable. Tell him I said so.
Wow. Can't you stop drinking?
Hey.
How can you expect a girl from the city to marry you like this? Eh? Try and better your life now, eh? Wow, please.
Look at who is advising.
My dear, don't mind this man. The gods wants to play on his intelligence. Can you imagine now that Aboma agreed to serve the gods? He wants to be a problem to her. You better hide though. You better go and hide.
Wait! Shebi, you have advised me. Thank you. Now let me advise you. You all can go to hell. See, it's not just hell after devil's side. You can go to hell. Because I will not rest until I marry her. I will not rest. The thing that the gods are giving me free. Say, take.
Wow. Try and better your life.
Yes.
Better.
Thank you. You that your life is better. Go and use it.
Try and better your life.
Osandi Owende. Osandi Owendo. That is, look at them. Ipensom is wisomo. Ipensom.
Amolo gini, amolo wake, gini ke mulum.
Yeah.
The way you're keeping your face is like you're part of the people he paid and not sweet. Ikonso!
What is
it? Ikonso, my in-law. See, I'm angry. I'm very angry. But I have come for you people to tell me what I want to hear. That's why.
Anwangu, I will advise you to go home. I don't want my sister to come out and meet you like this. She's not going to find it funny with you. Let me tell you something you don't know. Even if the gods pronounce you to be sister's husband, I will deny the gods that opportunity. You know why? You cannot be like this and marry my sister. Never. I will not allow that to happen. So go home and rest. Just wake up, man.
Ikonso. See, I will change. Don't worry. I promise you, I will change. See, I will go now. Let me go and buy clothes. So that I will look like your in-law and your sister's husband. That is not a problem. I will change.
Another advice. I want you to stop drinking.
I will think about that one. But first, let me do one for you. I'm not just ask for everything once now. Because you're my in-law.
Maria.
Your daughter has come. Since you have chosen me, I have decided to serve you. But I have a problem. Why will I marry Anwanwu? Why? What does my marriage have to do with me serving you? Answer me! Speak! Speak to your daughter. Speak to your chosen one.
Akpo, honey, how are you doing? What is this you are putting on?
Honey, please, stay away from here. Wait for me outside. You're not meant to be here. I beg you.
Akpo, honey, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You just changed on me so fast.
No.
Fuck whatever they say.
No, don't say a word. Don't come more closer.
Fuck.
No.
Whatever they say.
Honey, don't. Wake up! Honey, get up and leave.
Honey, I can't. I'm very weak.
Honey, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. The gods are real. I told you, you need to leave this village immediately.
I agree, Akpo, honey, but please help me out. I'm weak and I'm stuck here.
What do I do?
I promise, immediately I'm out of here. I'm leaving and traveling to Lagos, and from Lagos I'm going back to my country. Just help me to get out of here, please. Just help me, take me out of here.
Sure. You're welcome.
What is wrong with him?
He tried touching the OG and it shocked him. Since then he couldn't move or do anything. He is stuck. Please, I don't know what to do. Help him. I promise he will leave immediately.
Did I not warn him? Did I not warn you? White man, you have to leave this village. The gods are having mercy on you.
Old man, please, I promise I will leave immediately. But please help me, I'm stuck. I'm weak. Help me, please.
Please. I don't know what to do.
You have the power to free him. Speak the word.
Okay. What do I say? Tell me.
Invoke Ibudu. Tell him whatever you want and he will do it for you.
Free him. I promise you he will leave immediately. Tell me what to do. And I will do that. Help him to get up. Help him.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
My daughter, you are truly the chosen one. I am happy he learnt his lesson the hard way. He will not worry you here anymore.
Thank you. Thank you, Budu.
Sunday or Wednesday or Sunday or Wednesday or even some is with some more keep. See how can they be selling shit this high amount? Eh? These people are very wicked. Come, come this way, come this way. Let me be seeing you. Please. There is nowhere I've not looked for shit to buy. See, the only place remaining for me to go now is Lagos. All the shirt I'm seeing very costly. So tell me, where will I see good shirt to buy that when I wear it, I will not be like somebody's husband?
Okay, you have to enter inside the market and ask of Okrika line.
Okrika?
Then you will see where they are shouting bend down select.
Oh, Okrika line, bend down select. But wait, hope where you are describing is not your size or children's size because, you know, no, you will not blame me. You only blame God that gave you ungrowable growth. I'm sorry, that cannot grow. Even some is with some. Even some is with some.
Amolo gini, amolo wake, gini ke mulum bejira la koko.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. I will see you soon.
Like why?
I will see you soon. Thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for me. I will join you very soon. Please, tell my workers that I will see them soon too.
Okay.
Take care of everything.
Thank you. Stop crying.
See.
My in-laws, I'm here. I've decided to leave drink. so that everyone will be happy.
Anwang, you've not done the right thing. She is not your wife yet. You and your family have not come here with common cola. So please, I am not in the mood. Please.
Because, Mama, that is not a problem now. What are my kingsmen doing? Eh? See, Mama, I spent my last cash to buy clothes to look good. Eh? But Mama, is this one a new style? Yesterday I was here. She went inside. Today again, she has gone inside again. Eh? No problem. Let me go now. And talk to my kinsmen who will return.
When the girls can see you, it was your name. When the girls can see you, he got you. And I'm a siaka, he got my because if you follow me, he get well. Get a motor, Malibu, I'm on my. Get a deep water, Malibu, I'm on my. Enough girl, oh yeah, I'm weapon, Chiduba, I'm on my, Mama.